Ready?
Okay. Whoa.
We're sitting down. We're I just come back from class and we're watching TJ. Then we hear a little, that sounds like a little minivan. Then
Sounds like a little courier rocking up.
Then you hear the little, have a few big boxes for a big boy.
Riley was like, what do you reckon it'll be? And I was like, oh, you know, maybe it'll be, I was thinking maybe it could either be the tires that I ordered or either, I don't know, it could be anything. Even could be the things that he bought. Gets to the door and he has to sign for it and got some big ass boxes. Got some big ass boxes.
And I'm telling you, these are...
They got some weight.
Can we open this box? Because I feel like there'll be in another box in here.
A box in a box?
I reckon. Come on, man.
Ah.
Here, how about this? I crack this, I look and tell you if it's another box. If it's another box, we open it. If it's not, shut it up. Give me a knife. Thank you, Zah.
That's super dark and you can't see shit. Is it a box in a box?
It's a box in a box, there's a bit of paper on it. Yeah! Boom. Hey, get a thing.
We got a thing. So after 2 months, they're here. 2 long months of waiting. So these are Heritage Wheels. They are the Hokkaido series, if I'm pronouncing that right. Take a knee, we'll take a knee with these bad boys.
Yeah.
As you can see on the big screen, we have got Fitment Industries. They've just released a video on Heritage Wheels. You should check it out because it's awesome. But yeah, well, I guess we're just gonna get into them and rip them open because they're here. Yeah. Go inside. I'm assuming we've got boxes inside of boxes to pour out.
Yeah. Alright. This is big for me. I've never gotten new wheels.
Ooh, got 3-piece stickers as well. If you watch this video, you will understand that Heritage Wheels is a parent company. 3-piece Wheels US is a parent company of Heritage. So we've got some Stoikers.
Many Stoikers.
Heritage.
Also a little congratulations on your new wheels. We hope you love them as much as we love building them. Thank you, Heritage.
I wonder if they love them as much as I loved annoying them. Asking them a million questions every day.
Let's go. Yep. Ooh, they're light.
Did you see him?
Yeah. Ready?
Okay. Whoa! Whoa. Oh, that's so light.
Ladies and gentlemen, I present to you Mitch's new rig. Oh my.
So we've done the old mount the rim. Well, I suppose we had to check fitment anyways, make sure it actually fit. They say to check it before you fit tires, because once you fit tires, they're yours, you own them. So...
Bruh, what you talking about? That's why you pay so much money. You can just drive the rim, you don't need tires. Camera game.
He's already popped the tires, he's already done a massive burn.
No bead, mate.
No bead, mate.
Like that, remember that meme? It was like the VY or your mate who did it, and there was nothing in the rim left.
Man, I think we may have nailed fitment on this.
I was just about to say, like, when I was looking at it, I was like, oh, you might need to do a little bit more. Nah. Yeah.
So I'm just here editing the video, realized we didn't really do an outro at all, didn't finish the video, kind of racked up some of the B-roll. But pretty much now we're just waiting for tires. As soon as tires are here, we'll get them mounted up on the car. That will be a different video though, so for today, we're pretty much just gonna sign it out and leave it here. Thank you very much for watching. Please subscribe, please like, share with your friends. I guess any of that stuff, and we'll catch you in the next one. See ya.